Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear or delete your clipboard history on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and then select the settings gear button on the left panel. And then you want to select the system tile. Scrolling down on the left panel underneath System, you want to select Clipboard, and then on the right side, scrolling down where it says Clear Clipboard Data, clear everything except pin items on this device and with Microsoft. Select Clear, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.